Welcome to ESL Quiz College. Wow, she's pretty. Ooh, he's handsome. What do you do when you meet someone that is cute? You ask for their phone number. So let's practice. What is your phone number? My phone number is 647-232-1535. What's your phone number? Good job. When we say our phone numbers in English, we usually say O instead of 0. For example, number 1, 613450. Also, for the last part of the phone number, we don't say 4 numbers. If you look at number 1, you will see 2233. We don't say that in English usually. So we would say 2233. We say 2 numbers instead of 4 numbers. So in number 1, the phone number would be 613-450-2233. You can also say 0, but O is more common. O is what we usually say. Number 2, 876-403-1070. 876-403-1070. Number 3, 905-221-1190. 905-221-1190. It's your turn to practice. It's listening time. Write the answers in the comment section below. Number 1. My phone number is 631-960-7178. My phone number is 631-960-7178. Number 2. My phone number is 310-217-7638. My phone number is 310-217-7638. Number 3. My phone number is 647-960-7169. My phone number is 647-960-7169. Number 4. My phone number is 613-906-7117. My phone number is 613-906-7117. Number 5. My phone number is 917-475-6999. 0052. My phone number is 917-475-0052. Number 6. My phone number is 772-257-4480. My phone number is 772-257-4480. Number 7. My phone number is 215-475-5060. My phone number is 215-475-5060. Number 8. My phone number is 334-521-3004. My phone number is 334-521-3004. 9. My phone number is 212-201-3517. My phone number is 212-201-3517. Number 10. My phone number is 270-392-3043. My phone number is 270-392-3043. Go ahead and write your answers in the comments below. I promise to check them. Good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us here at ESL Quiz College.